Hello everyone, welcome back to Cloud Institution again. So today in this video, we're going to see another very interesting and very important interview question that can be usually asked in the interviews. So this particular question can be asked, if you're a fresher or if if you're having a experience from 1 to 3 years of experience. Okay, so if you're having a mid-range of experience as well, though you can expect this particular question to be asked during the interviews. And also, this particular question can be asked during the examination as well. Okay, so for example, so you might be if you go for a if you're appearing for a cloud practitioner or solution architect examination, so this particular question will be asked in some kind of different way. So what are the services in the below options? Will be will be a PAS application. Okay, so they'll be giving four options. Out of those, you have to choose two. Okay, you can also get this questions like that. Okay, now today in this video we're going to see like, what is a PaaS service in AWS and give two example services. Okay, first of all you should know what is PaaS. Okay, so if you don't know what is PaaS, then you won't be understanding what the services is giving your PaaS services in AWS. Okay, now the answer for this particular question will be like the platform as a service. The PaaS service is a model where AWS delivers cloud-based platforms, including hardware, software, and infrastructures, and for developers to build and manage applications without complexities of managing the underlying infrastructure. So, for example, if you say about PaaS, so you won't be getting any hardware. What do you mean by hardware? So, like say for example, you in AWS you're creating EC2 instance. Okay, that the hardware you're getting. Okay, even though it's a virtual machine, then you're getting an infrastructure. Okay, so the AWS will give you infrastructure. Using that infrastructure, you can do whatever you want. You can install applications, you can run your applications, and no, you can just run a CI/CD pipelines, or you can install databases. Whatever the things you want to do, you can do. But but what the platform as a service is nothing but, so the AWS itself will install everything for you. Okay, for example, if you go for a Lambda, so the example we can see is the Lambda service and the Elastic Beanstalk service, right? So if you go for a Lambda service, so AWS will automatically already been installed with with some kind of a software, so that, like for example, Node.js, Java, and Python applications, all these applications already been installed. So only thing what you have to do is that you have to go and run your code. That's it. Okay, the same as a Elastic Beanstalk as well, right? So platform as a service is that you won't get infrastructure to install your applications, right? And so Elastic Beanstalk is nothing but, so you're running your web applications online, right? So automatically, so you don't need any infrastructure to be provisioned before so your deploy application to be deployed. So you just create a Elastic Beanstalk application, and then you just go and deploy your code. Okay, that will be automatically be running in the cloud. Okay, this particular Elastic Beanstalk is also equal to the Azure app services. So if you know about Azure, so it can also be compared as a app services in Azure. So these other services will be called as a platform as a services. So if you understand what is platform as a services, so the platform services in AWS will not give you infrastructure, but they will install all the necessary services, and they will give you as a platform as platform as. Okay, so that's what something called platform as a service, guys. Okay, so the best example what I've told you is the Elastic Beanstalk and then Lambda. Okay, because this particular question they've asked only two answers, but there are so many plenty of other app engines, and there are many many tools, so which is there in AWS that can be that can be considered as a platform as a service in AWS. Okay. So that's all about this video, guys. So hope you understand this video. And this question is very important again, I'm telling you. Okay, so if you're preparing for interview. Okay, so if you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you again in the next video. Okay, thank you, guys.